Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on the passcode on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If the passcode is turned off on your Apple Watch Ultra and you would like to turn it on, then follow the next steps to learn how. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Passcode. Then tap Turn Passcode On. Enter the passcode that you would like to use, then enter it again to confirm it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.